Let's talk about a critical weakness that can make even the most powerful AI models just completely fail. We're calling it the Titan data disaster, and to really get it, we're going to use an awesome metaphor.
So picture this, a massive 15-meter Titan just radiating raw power, but in its gigantic hand it's holding a tiny, human-sized sword. The image is just ridiculous, right? A giant trying to fight with a toothpick has absolutely no chance.
And that, right there, is the heart of the problem. We have this incredible, Titan-sized power of a super sophisticated AI, but we're giving it these tiny, cadet-sized instructions. We're using these small, weak methods that just don't match the AI's real scale and strength. It's a fundamental mismatch, and you know what? It leads to failure every time.
Okay, so let's be super clear about this. In our analogy, the AI is the Titan. It's this engine of immense potential. And all that data you feed it, well, you can think of that as its consciousness. It shapes everything, how it learns, how it thinks, how it sees the world.
So here's the bottom line, the thing you really need to get. When the data, the AI's consciousness, doesn't match its incredible processing power, the whole system just collapses. Even the strongest Titan in the world is useless if its mind is broken.
So, first up, we've got what we call the underfit Titan problem. This is a Titan that's just so weak, it can't even get into the fight.
So, what does underfitting actually mean? Well, it happens when an AI model is just way too simple. It hasn't been trained on nearly enough data, or maybe the data it did see didn't have any clear patterns. It just hasn't learned enough to be of any use.
And the metaphor for this? Oh, it's brutal, but it's perfect. An underfit model is like a Titan that's all skin and bones. There's no muscle there to fight with. It's frail, it's totally ineffective, and it's basically guaranteed to get overwhelmed. It's going to get eaten.
Then you've got the total opposite problem, the overfit Titan. Now, this Titan isn't weak. Oh no, it's just too obsessed, too rigid, to adapt to a fight that's always changing.
So what's overfitting? It's when a model doesn't just learn from its training data, it literally memorizes it, down to the last detail. It'll perform perfectly on the stuff it's already seen, but the moment you show it something new, it becomes fragile and completely useless.
Think about it like this. An overfit model is like a Titan that has absolutely mastered punching an enemy that's on its left. But the second an enemy shows up on the right, it's helpless. It has no idea what to do because it only memorized one single scenario. It can't adapt.
All right, our third problem isn't about how much the AI learns, but what it's learning. This is the problem of giving your Titan the wrong tools for the job, or what we call bad data features in the world of AI.
This is what happens when you feed your AI total junk. I mean, imagine trying to predict the weather based on the color of a cat. It's nonsense, right? So when you feed that kind of irrelevant data, these bad features, to a powerful AI, you're basically handing a Titan a spoon and telling it to go break down a wall. It's a complete and total waste of its power.
Okay, we've seen all the ways this can go wrong. So how do we fix it? How do we actually build our Titan the right way so it can really use its incredible strength?
It all comes down to aligning the data with how complex your AI model is. You have to stop giving your Titan a toothpick. This means you got to carefully pick high-quality, relevant data features. You have to get the amount of data just right to avoid both underfitting and overfitting. You have to teach your Titan how to actually use its big, powerful hands.
And that really brings us to the end here. It's a pretty powerful reminder of how easily we can mess these complex systems up, isn't it? So I'll leave you with this question to think about. What's the biggest, most useless cadet sword you've ever seen a powerful AI forced to use?